What's going on, guys? Jason here, 4 Minutes Preparing, back with another quick video. I just want to show off my most recent fire kit that I have for sale on my website, 4minutespreparing.com. There's a link in the description. A lot of you have seen my kits before, some of you might have not, but I just want to show everyone real quick. And there is some small changes to it. First, business card, of course. And quick Tinder tabs, you get 10 of those. Then some cotton rounds. These are cut in half and dipped mostly in wax. I leave a little bit dry so you can fluff it up and spark it. There's some jute rope. There's 5 of them. Same as with these, like 80 or 90% dipped in wax so you can fluff the end of it up. We'll do some testing here in a minute. My own custom fire starters called the Tinder Grenades, which is a stormproof match built into some fat wood wrapped in jute, and then it's dipped in the same wax as everything else. Those burn 4 or 5 minutes. Get a live fire sport. These are very nice, reusable. Of course, you get 10 stormproof matches. These are very good. A bunch of strike anywhere matches, not sure how many. I just stuffed some in a bag. Of course, there's some strike pads for the matches and for the Tinder grenades. Of course, you gotta have fat wood. Smells so good. A little tea light candle. Nothing fancy. Get a credit card Fresno lens. It does have a sleeve to protect it, so it won't get scratched up and things like that. And a ferro rod, which is I hate to open it, but it'll be alright. I won't use it, but I'll just open it so everyone can see. It works pretty good. The striker's not the best, but it's a good ferro rod. It does work. So there you go. You get a full ferro rod in my kits. So I'll put that back. Then we'll test out some items, but that is everything in the kit. Like I said, available on my website. If you want one, go check it out. But we'll do a few demonstrations to see how these things burn. Alright, so for our testing, I'll show you the stormproof matches, which I do have a video on these. And then we'll stick it in the water and show you how they still burn. We'll do a cotton round and a Tinder grenade. So first step, we'll just go ahead and do the stormproof match. Well, this strike pad ain't going too good, but there you go, it burns. It's a match, it burns. Stick it in the water, keeps on going, take it back out, and it'll light back up. So pretty simple, good match. They burn for about 15 seconds. Alright, moved everything out of the way so we can try the cotton round out. You want to get it real good and fluffy. To give it the best chance. It's a little windy out here. Hopefully that doesn't play too much of a factor into this. There we go. We'll see if that's good enough. Let me get a closer shot of it. Hopefully this goes smoothly, because you know, usually when you break out the camera it never does. You can scrape some of your ferro rod on there too to give it an extra chance. Alright. There we go. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow it out. You see how the ferro rod pieces really help. Excuse me. The ferro rod pieces really help to get it going. Alright, we got that out of the way. Now we'll do a Tinder grenade. Strikes right up. See the built-in match does all the work. Easy fire starter. The easiest there is. I mean, look at that thing go. With just a strike of a match. And boom. Of course, when the match burns out, it slows down. It's not as intense. But there you have it. So those are just a few of the items. test it out in the kit anyway. I have a full video on Tinder Grenades if you want to go check that out. Alright, so there we go. That's my fire kit with the new updates. Pretty good kit overall, I think. Very solid. Can get lots of fires. You know, it's all in a nice compact box. You ain't got to worry nothing about it. I would probably go ahead and toss in a big lighter in there. You can definitely fit a mini one, possibly a full size one. So, but that's up to you. But also, besides this, on my website I also have Tinder Grenades and a bunch of other different things like that. And I'm giving one away currently to anybody who orders the November box. You'll have a shot at this kit being tossed in your box for free. I'm just going to do it at random. So I'm not going to know who's getting it. It's just going to be in a box, and then it'll be packed up, and then I'll just slap the labels on them after that. So I won't know who gets it, but I mean, I don't have that many customers, so your odds are pretty good. But that's basically it, guys. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the kits. Check them out on my website. Like I said, link in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. And of course, as always, be ready.